Okay, so hello friends, myself Jayvir Shah, and today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of 3140611. Just a minute, it's in. I need to have something else. 3140611. Subject name is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. Syllabus of 4th semester Civil Engineering. Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. Civil 4th semester. Let's start with the properties of fluids. So the first property of the fluid is density. ખબર છે કોઈને? What do you mean by density? Rho. Equation યાદ છે કોઈને? Rho density ઘનતા. The equation is mass upon volume. What is the unit of the mass? Kg. And what is the unit of the volume? Meter cube. Meter is the unit of length. What is the unit of area? Meter square. And what is the unit of volume? Meter cube. So what is the unit of density? Kg per meter cube. Now there are two types of properties. One is intensive property, which does not depend upon mass, and another one is extensive property, which depends upon mass. Now what it means, which depends upon mass and which does not depends upon mass? Suppose a value of the property changes as there is a change in the mass, that is called depends upon mass, because as mass changes the value of the property gets changed. And if the value of the property does not change with respect to mass, then it is called independent from the mass. It does not have any effect of the mass on it. Correct? So can we say gravity is, what we can say, uh, whether gravity is extensive or intensive? Suppose we want to discuss about the gravitational acceleration. તો પૃથ્વી ઉપર લોકોનું વજન વધી જાય તો શું ગ્રેવિટેશનલ એક્સેલરેશન ઓછું થઈ જાય છે? નો. ઓછું થઈ જશે તો શું વધી જશે? નો. So it does not depend upon the mass. It means it is which kind of property? Intensive type of property. In the similar manner, density is also intensive type of property. Sometimes we may feel that અહીંયા તો ઇક્વેશનમાં તો માસ તો છે, તો આ તો ડાયરેક્ટલી ડિપેન્ડ અપોન માસ છે ને? No, it is not like that. Why? Example, density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Let's take one box of 1 meter cube of area. Here I am taking one box which is having how much area? 1 meter cube. 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. So how much water can be accumulated within this space? It's 1000 kg only. How much? 1000 kg. What is the area? Area is 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. अगर हमारे पास ऐसा बॉक्स है तो उसके अंदर कितना पानी आएगा? 1000 kg। अगर मैं बॉक्स की लेंथ 2 मीटर कर देता हूं, 2 मीटर बाय 2 मीटर बाय 2 मीटर, 2000 kg। करेक्ट? So very good answer from your side. If you are getting such knowledge, then it is really good. See, in 1 meter cube area, how much water will be there? 1000 kg. So density V is equals to what? Mass upon volume. So 1000 kg divided by 1, it means 1000 kg per meter cube. Not meter cube per kg, it is kg per meter cube. Okay. Now we are expanding this area by 2 meter. So 2 meter cube having 2000 kg of mass. So density would be 2000 divided by 2. Are you getting my point? Here see, mass is changes. Mass is changes from 1000 kg to 2000 kg. But whether the value of the density changes? No. That's why the density is which kind of property? Intensive type of property of the system. So if I am an examiner, while studying, what you need to think? How examiner thinks. How examiner will set the paper. So no one will going to ask you a question about what is density. Everyone knowing that the density is nothing but mass upon volume, and also knowing that what is the unit of the density, kg per meter cube. But if I am an examiner, then I will ask you the question in that manner. Evaluate density is intensive property of the system, and at that time you need to explain the answer in this manner only. Getting or not? Clear? Very good. Specific weight, second property. See, what do you mean by weight? Simple weight. What is the unit of the weight? Kg? No. No. It's kg into gravitational acceleration. So that is called weight. The unit is Newton. Why it is called Newton? Because this is nothing but the second law of Newton. Force into acceleration. Mass into acceleration is equals to F, force. So what is the unit of force? Newton. Now, what is the significance of weight? The kg terms remain same whether you are on earth or you are on a moon. But the weight of the person will change. If you are on earth, then gravitational acceleration of earth will be multiplied with that person, and if you are on a moon, then gravitational acceleration of the moon is going to be multiplied with the person. Okay, so this is called weight. Now a term specific is added to it. So what it means? It is density multiplied by gravitational acceleration. Here A, I can change this A by G. So when the weight is divided by volume, then it becomes specific weight. Getting it or not? Rho into G means what? M by V into G. So when force is divided by volume, then it becomes force, means force in terms of weight. It becomes specific weight. Any doubt? No doubt. So specific weight is very much clear for you. Now let's talk about the third topic, that is specific volume. Specific volume is nothing but the inverse of the density. Could you tell me what should be the unit of the specific volume? What would be the unit of the specific volume? It is inverse of the density. What is the unit of the density? Kg per meter cube. So what is the unit of the specific volume? Reverse of it. meter cube per kg. Okay, so it's almost 10 minutes right now.